ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Omni Winter Beach Festival haka khat ar bat khat la 3 January 2008 pusau hadangar balat East Khasi Hills District.
Kakong bayaman waklang kabasyong basa Riatsamthiah Shillong kalayo ban khur ya ka jingjop lucky draw jong ka Frank Yamaha daga Tata punch ka kali ka bathamai. Kani ka lucky draw jong ka Frank Yamaha ka day kumshi benta jong ka jingrakhe dap khat san snem jong ka jingshakri hapo jala. Layato ba ka Frank Yamaha kalayo ya ka jingkhen ka balong hado arajar nrius pa arngut ginong yeshim menta ha kani ka lucky draw. Nalor kakong bayaman waklang kiba job haga lucky draw ki kentup ya uba batteries camping rope ubawan baar bat unityananda dep ubawan balai kibalayo dagi smartphone. Kidon khat arteli ki Consolation prize. Ka Frank Yamaha kalapan pau ka jing sengungu sya barok kiba yeshimenta bat kumju ru ya ki customer kibalapan long ya ka jing rakhe ya ka 15th anniversary kaba job.
Welcome to the grand celebration of Frank Yamaha's 15 years of dedicated service. During these last 15 years, Frank Yamaha has been the forefront of delivering cutting-edge products and excellent service. Thanks to the collective efforts of our dedicated team and support in each and every one of you and the trust you placed in us. So, as we celebrate this milestone, the lucky draw symbolizes our appreciation of your ongoing support. So as we embark on this remarkable journey and announce the lucky draw, let me tell you something about the lucky draw. The lucky draw prizes range from exclusive Yamaha merchandise to high-end accessories, ensuring that each winner receives a token of our gratitude. I'm sure you've known about the prizes through our personalized invitation and through social media platforms. And the lucky draw was started from August 1st to December 31st, 2023. So let's commemorate this milestone as we express gratitude for the unwavering support and loyalty you have shown over the years. Thank you for being an integral part of Frank Yamaha family. Here's to many more years of excellence, innovation, and shared success. May luck be with you on your side. Let's also look forward to the future with anticipation. Kublishbun, Seshisen, your participation in the lucky draw is a testament to the shared success we've achieved. Thank you once again, and here's to celebrating 15 years of excellence with Frank Yamaha. Thank you.
Haha. So let me mix this real quick. So as you all know, folks, we have 12 consolation prizes. That is, you're gonna receive some Yamaha merchandises, and of course we have this third and the second prizes, which is state-of-the-art mobile phones, and then of course we have the big Papa Punch right there, which is the first prize, and one lucky winner is gonna leave with the car. 2 lucky winners are gonna leave with 2 smartphones, and of course 12 lucky winners with some exclusive Yamaha merchandises. Just one. Okay. Alright, so the first one, you know they say we're gonna save the best for last, right? But right now we are gonna go the best for first. So this person right here is gonna be the lucky winner. Everyone say lucky winner. Lucky winner. Everyone say Tata Punch. So I'm not going to reveal it just yet. So the first prize, I'm going to keep it right here. Cool? Alright, please pick one. this one, just to make sure, and you receive a prize as well. So my friends, this is number 2, who will be getting a brand new smartphone. Say smartphone. All right, this is going in right here. Second. Right next. Sir, you're wearing the black and red helmet. Yeah, you. Don't look at the back. You. Yeah. No, not that guy all the way at the back. Just this guy. Do apa then? Yeah. You. No, him at the back. Yeah, you. Wearing the white and yeah. Yes. So like I said, this is all random. And please kindly pick shoe. Choose which kind of shoes. Tangi wait. Kunduk siap. Kumbak lihat jadai bet. No. All right. So this, sir, siapa let. There, kanina pumunta tayo rumah. Round of applause, please. So we have the third prize right here. And of course, like I said, this will also be a smartphone. Everyone say smartphone. All right. You come here. You choose anyone. Just one. This one right here? Okay. And we have a special toy just for you. So, I've got the first consolation prize here, alright? Do you want me to open it? Do you want to know? Shalom, do you want to know? Then let's go ahead and see. The first lucky winner to get a consolation prize is Mr. Ban Chan Bor Thang Kyo. Are you here? Round of applause, please. Mr. Ban Chan Bor Thang Kyo. Take one. This one? Alright. And you also get a prize. Please, everyone, big round of applause. The next name is right here. Let's see who it is. Wait, how do you pronounce this? Anrawakas Im Sutnga. Mr. Sumborlangs Im. Looks like a U, but it's Sam, I think. Mr. Sumborlangs Im. Everyone, give them a round of applause. The winner of one of the consolation prizes. And I don't know what it is, but it's something very good. I know that. Congratulations. One more time, everyone. Please give him a round of applause. All right. So the last and final consolation prize winner is none other than Mario Gareth Longkmie. Mario Gareth Longkmie. Anyone, please come to the front. Any volunteers? You? Okay. Read it out. Huh? I don't know. See, it's not just me, okay? The handwriting is like doctors handwriting. Mr. Nityananda Deb. Are you here? He's not here. All right, how about this? I think I can give them a call. Read the name loudly.
But Riskam Pingrop.
Mr. Bat Riskam Pengrop, are you here? Alright. Well, before we give out the thing, here's for you. Happy New Year. So I'm gonna call this guy once again. Can you please hold my? So, friends, exactly, ew. So I have the name of the winner of the raffle draw and who is going to be the lucky winner to win the Tata Punch. Are you ready? Everyone say, open it, open it. Say it. Open it. Open it. Mrs. Bayaman Walang. Mrs. Bayaman Walang. I'm too excited. I'm getting confused. Are you here? No. Are we gonna call this person till we get? They Mr. Chupina, di mana? Oh, you made your pee. Coach, you done? I'm done. Oh. Te dos. Te image yung pi la job ya. Ni ko pot. So for lot, just to make sure that it's fair, I'm going to show you that the serial number of both of these is the same. It's 2389. Ang niro 2389. All right. So please, a huge round of applause to the winner. Okay, dos. So please, kran kendiat sa kumna pisko haba, mapi ber image of pi pilai job ya kanika. Prize kanika kali ke tenat bahadu ke belakang. Okay, he's a little nervous right now, but say something. Pisko kumna pi pilek kumna ya kanika kali. What dear mo? Pinang nak kali. Make pinang. Pinyak mo pi. So friends and rocking listeners, everyone, please one more time, a round of applause for the winner. Yoshi Wood and of course he should be, folks. He is the winner. Him, his mom and he are the lucky winners of this brand new Tata Punch. One more time, please, folks, a round of applause. So congratulations once again, ma. Chal drive na. They come pun nak bank jumpi Tisha ni orang bang don pergi credit card offers tu. Yang ada ki kuat apply ke hilak kan? Okay. Oh nak ni kau nak bank ke jumpi mah. Ya haji Tisha mentang ni don pergi credit card offers ah. Kuat beli ba kuat yang macam. Kamu ni kamu. Tambah mentang kau haji Tisha yo offer ban kali ke car loan kan? Dari buka ben pak tiap kali tinggi lah ben ai ke loan ke jumpi hadu sekolah. Tekong orang sak kawin ni tu. Tiang bay dan isu IA pi long kumnang. Long dengan isu IA kali pi dah. Kan. Main ayat kali. Hello. Main dua. Ini layak ke balik kalau ini layak sekali kalau kita kali ini layak mungkin kalau kita halo kau tengok hari RJ Bayo mana apa redpam tes kau penting cepi ba ikon cepi im lak keren juga ikran ikon cepi mentan tes kau penting cepi hoi ngidon kubar kubha ba pi la dai mo pi ida i lucky winner jong ka lucky draw berpila yo ya kini ke brand new Tata Punch. Frank Frank Yamaha. To ngay, kung na pismo. Oh, pidang dan hakali. Okay, to kong tes kumha sapun ye I kon jokir ma. Hari ini congratulations saya sisien. Tengi na po Frank Yamaha ro I teman bapila yo ini ka kali pertama joki dia kenal wet ba halo lagi kita. Ada sekolah keren sim. To kembali pun kong ma. So congratulations saya sisien ni. Bye.
Wow.